Alright, you currently are watching video E4.p2-1, which is the NWS jet stream layers of the atmosphere. The purpose of this video is to kind of give you a brief introduction as to the activity that's going to involve some reading about Earth's atmosphere and the different layers, as well as some of the questions that you guys are going to be answering along the way. So the first thing that I'll point out is you're going to want to have layers of the atmosphere, this reading piece right here, which looks like this. Layers of the atmosphere. And you'll see that each of the layers has its own section, the troposphere, stratosphere, and then on the next page the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and last but not least the exosphere. Okay, the different layers of the Earth. Alright, so while you're doing this, while you're reading through this short little brief explanation about the layers of the atmosphere, there are a couple of questions I'd like you to answer along the way. You'll see right down here. So for step number 3, while reading this, answer the following questions. When you get to number 3, it's going to ask you to label the layers. Okay, label the layers of the atmosphere based on their location at location A, which you see right here, and then B, and then C, and then D as well, as to where they're located. And you notice that the arrows are here pointing to this is the space that they cover in our atmosphere, and then on this side represents the height, how far above Earth's surface that these layers actually exist. Okay. Then for question number 4, it gets a little bit more specific. These are some of the finite details that are involved in the different types of layers. So talking about what is found here, what's the temperature like, pressure, and then also what makes this layer important to us on Earth, or what does it offer, or what does it do per se. And then the last piece, which is on the back here, is to put the layers of the Earth in a diagram around this part. So the 5 different layers that you have with the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, you are going to label each of the layers from the lowest altitude working to the highest altitude, so the ones that are closest to the Earth versus ones that are farthest away. You're going to do each of the layers in a different color, and then that color should help with what is important about the things that are found in each of these layers, such as what's important to the troposphere, stratosphere, so on and so forth. Okay? Should you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask Mr. Fuzek or myself.